After learning about in-model lists in the previous lesson, today I will focus on standard materials lists. To open materials dialog, press on B letter, also in order to reach bent bucket tool. So the materials dialog will appear. Find here the material lists that included in the program as standard. The first list we will start with is 3D printing, and we will find materials for 3D printing, followed by asphalt and concrete. We will find asphalt materials and concrete materials in it. After that, the next list is brick, cladding, and siding, and we will find brick materials and cladding for walls. The next list is for carpets, fabrics, leathers, and wallpaper. We will find in this list materials for carpets, fabrics, or leather. And it's possible we find wallpaper. The next list is colors. And in this list, the colors have codes such as A03 and A01. And each color has a code like this. Then in the next list we will find colors as well, but the colors are named. Each color has name. For example, violet red, also here medium violet red. Each color has a name and a number. This number is serial, meaning the colors that are in this list from the first one to the last one are 137. So we will find in this list 137 colors. Each color has its own name, not a code like the previous list. We will find the difference between colors list and colors named list is codes. So in colors list there are codes like B03 or B01 and so on. But the colors named list, each color has name. The list after that is glass and mirrors. In this list, we will find materials for glass or mirrors, and we will find different types of glass such as glass bricks here, also types of mirrors, landscaping, fencing, and vegetation. Here in this list, we will find more materials for landscape, means that we will find materials for plants or ground covers. We will also find materials for hardscape, such as gravel or rocks, also materials for fencing. We can also find materials for outdoor flooring, such as concrete or blocks that are found on the floor, and materials for fencing like this. The next list is metal. It contains a variety of metal materials in different colors, but not a big variety. After that, the patterns, you will find here different ones. They are used according to the presentation we want. We can find concrete pattern like this. We can find patterns for rocks or crushed rocks like this. We can find pattern for sand. Here we will find different patterns. Some are handy and some are made by computer. Then list of roofing materials, which include materials for finished surfaces of roofs. The list after that is a stone list, and we will find in it marble and granite, but of course the materials are very limited in it. The following list is synthetic surfaces, and we will find artificial materials such as foam and quartz in it. The next list is tile. It contains tiles pattern and it has variety, but it's also somewhat limited. Then water list. It has textures of water which represent water in different colors. So for example, material like this, it could be for a pond. Here it could be like a swimming pool. The next one is window covering. We will find different types of window covers in this list. The following list is wood, and we will find different materials of wood, as well as materials in this list is limited as other material lists. In general, we need materials from our software to make our renders as best as possible. But if we make a simple model that doesn't need realistic and high quality renders, so it's possible to use available materials in the program, which are convenient for the purpose and are also quick to use. This was today's lesson, and we will see in the next lesson more details on materials.